Good morning, good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, students. Now we will continue our chapter number 1 with the topic explanation of sublimation by the molecular model. Students, in some solids, the intermolecular forces of attraction are very weak. Okay. In such solids, on heating, what happens? The molecules acquire kinetic energy to overcome the force of attraction, and they become what? Free to move. Thus their intermolecular separation becomes very large and they change into vapor directly without changing into liquid. Okay, students, so here your chapter is completed. We will continue now our exercise. Okay, students, one more thing here, recapitulation is there. You have to just put numbers on these points 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, on all these, because many questions answer are in these recap. So students, we will continue with our true and false. Students, first, the temperature of a substance remains unaffected during its change of state. Students, this is true. Mark it as true. Second, ice melts at 100 degrees Celsius. Students, mark it as false. Second is false. Third, water at 100 degrees Celsius has more heat than steam at 100 degrees Celsius. Students, write it as false. What is the third answer? False. Now fourth, evaporation of a liquid causes cooling. Answer is true. Answer fourth is true. Now fifth, E part, water evaporates only at 100 degrees Celsius. Answer is false. Answer is false. Answer is what? False. Now F part, boiling takes place at all temperatures. Students, write it as false. What you will write? It as false. Answer of F is false. Answer of F is, students, false. Now G, evaporation takes place over the entire mass of the liquid. What is the answer? Answer is false. Answer is what? False. Now H, the process of a gas converting directly into solid is called vaporization. What is the answer of this question? It is also false. Okay, students. Then continue here. At high altitudes, water boils above 100 degrees Celsius. Students, this is false. The answer of this question is false. Now J part, the melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. The answer is what? True. Okay, students. So one more time I will tell you only the answers. Just have a look. You have written right or wrong. First is true. Second false. Third false. Fourth true. Fifth false. Sixth false. Seventh false. Eighth false. Ninth false. And 10th true. Okay, students. Now we will write the fill in the blanks. Evaporation takes place at dash temperatures. Students, write here all. What you will write? All. Answer is all. Second, dash process is just the reverse of melting. Students, answer is freezing. 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 Answer is freezing. Third, dash is a process that involves direct conversion of solid into its vapor on heating. Students, answer is sublimation. Spelling I am going to tell. SUBLIMATION. 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 Then D point. At the temperature at which solid converts into a liquid is called its what? Students, write here melting point. Students, write here melting point. What? I will tell you. MELTING, melting point. POINT, point. Okay. Now come on E part. The smallest unit of matter that exists freely in nature is called what, students? You know, molecule. 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 Then F part. Molecules of a substance are always in a state of, yes, motion. 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 And so they possesses what? Kinetic energy. KINETIC. Kinetic energy. 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 Kinetic energy. Okay, students. Now G part. Intermolecular space is maximum in where? Yes, gas. Gases. Less in liquids. 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 And the least in solids. 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 Okay, students. I hope you are writing. Okay. Then H. Intermolecular force of attraction is maximum in, students, write solid. 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 Less in LIQUID. Liquid. And the least in gases. 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 Okay, students. Now we will continue with match the following. Okay, students. So first of all, molecules. What is its answer? Search in this. Matter. What? Matter. Put it as A. Okay. 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils. Mark here B. 0 degrees Celsius. You have to write here. Here is the answer. 0 degrees Celsius. Water freezes. C. Then D. At all the temperatures, what happens? D. Evaporation takes place. Right? Evaporation. D. Evaporation. And camphor changes from solid to gas. So what is the answer, students? Again I am writing here. Look. B. Here D. Here E. A and C. These are the answers. Okay, students. Now we will continue with our select the correct alternatives. The intermolecular force is maximum in where, students? Solid, gases, liquids, or none of the above? Answer is solid. Then the intermolecular space is maximum in gases. Gases. The molecules can move freely anywhere in students where gases. D. The molecules can move only within the boundary in liquid, gases, solids, or none of these. Yes, liquids. Okay, students. Now come here. The temperature at which a liquid gets converted into its vapor state is called its what, students? Boiling point. Rapid conversion of water into steam is an example of what, student? Vaporization. Evaporation takes place from the where, students? Surface of liquid, throughout the liquid, mid portion of the liquid, or bottom of liquid? Surface of liquid. Then next, boiling takes place from the surface of the liquid, throughout the liquid, mid portion of liquid, or none of the above? Students, its answer is second, throughout the liquid. So students, for today, up till here, we will continue our question answers in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, and keep your hands washed by clean water and soap. Thank you.